So I got my bike out, ready to go for a ride. But I just turn her on and to get her warmed up, you know. So on my ride out here. And even though I found my old helmet was up there, so it's dirty. So I don't know if I want to put it on all dirty and stuff. So I'm gonna let this warm up. Alright guys, so I got her for a ride a little bit. I couldn't record it because I don't have a GoPro. And if you hear me all weird, and sorry about with the wind, and I got my helmet on, you can see. So yeah, it's a good day riding, windy, well not that too much. So let's go for another ride. It's really windy out here. I drove, there's a street over there, I drove on that street, and this one only had like 5th gear, so I'll try it, you know, just test it out real fast, racing it, like, but yeah, there's the neighbors. They got some fast cars, they got race cars, race on dirt. My other neighbor over there too, and he really doesn't have nothing. Yeah, I need to get this washed up. They bought me a power washing machine to clean it. It's all dirty. And I'm using my old helmet. It'll be in the bag, but I don't use it all the time because it's dirty. Look at that. I'm ATV riding from like 2 years ago, I guess. The Outlaw 500. So this I've been fixing on it too. I've been having it in the garage. I gotta fix this. I don't know what is this one. Yeah. Oh snap, that's not good. Probably from all that jumping. I didn't buy some nuts, screws or something for that. But I fixed this one because I put a new clutch cable on it. Because this was like ripped off because it was old. All the way from here, you can see it from right there. I took it off, and it was hard. It's not that hard. It was kind of easy. I was never been a mechanic on a 4-wheelers like this before. Last time, since I drove this like here too, and somehow my 4-wheeler, this one, be turning off, and I turned it back on, and it was like losing power and stuff. Clutch cable about time, and then I took this off, and I was going to take this off so I can see where we took the clutch cable. Now, when I took this seat off, I need an air filter, so I don't have an air filter yet, but I already ordered one. I have an old air filter that I haven't been changed. It was all oil, sticky, and nasty, and it went inside the carburetor in here. So I've been taking pieces out, and then I took this out, but then it went all the way in through the engine because it would be bad. I had to take the whole engine apart. So I took this one off. I need to screw this back, and this one off, and I took this one off, and I took the throttle, the gas throttle off. It was sticky too. When I took the air filter off, I've been pushing this, and this be when I let go, you see how it lets go back fast, but now when I let go, it be going slowly like that because it was sticky. So I took it off, took the piece off, and put gas on it to clean it up, and now it works. Look at that. But I gotta get air filter before dirts go in there because that is bad. That's why I'm not going fast on the grass. I'm going fast on the road because I really don't have dirt and stuff. So I need to get air filter for that. Yeah, I need to wash it too. It's all dirty. What is this? I don't know. It smells like gas. And I think I need to get a new body, screws, and everything. Everything's all old now. Look at that. I want to start fixing it up. Because this is an old 4-wheeler, so. Oh man. Because if I want to keep this one, I gotta fix it up. But yeah. And I got tires. I got a Raptor. I got another Fuller, a Raptor that then broke like 5 years ago, and I never got a chance to work on it. So when I fix this, I'm gonna start, working and start saving the money. So start fixing the Raptor I have. Later on, I'll show y'all. So I got hit over there. It's back at my house. So alright, let me put the seat back and so I can show you the 4-wheeler I have, my other 4-wheeler. It's a Yamaha Raptor, so 2015. This is a 2006. Yeah. 2006 Polaris. I don't know if I can. Don't it's $50. Alright. So let me stop right here. Alright, we're back at my house. And look, here's my other 4-wheeler. This doesn't have an engine on it because I had to take the engine off. Took it to the shop and they took the engine on because I remember last time I was riding it and it was leaking antifreeze and I didn't notice and I kept going and then now it turned off again and it won't turn on. So yeah, so I took it to the shop and I need a new parts like valve, piston valve, timing chain, and some kit, something else. I don't know. I gotta check that up later. And yeah, and then they told me it's gonna be like 2,000 something. I was like, damn, I don't have that money to get that fixed. Oh, excuse me. And whoever say bless you, thank you. But yeah, so that's my Raptor, and I've been running like this for I don't know, about like 5 years already. So I want to get this fixed, and I hope I have the money because right now I can't do nothing right now. So I be working and never have time on it, and payments, bills I have to pay for the truck. Oh shit! So that's all. I need to get a new bill. I want to get back riding, I want to take this to go back riding. I want to go like somewhere far, like Little Sara or other places, check things out, record and everything. The chain's getting bad. I need to get no change. These. So I need to get this fixed. I like the Yamaha Raptor better because they're really nice, but I like the Polaris too. It's because I've been riding it. So yeah, I still got some new tires, kind of, and I need soon to get sand tires, but that's gonna cost me a lot of money too. Well, kind of, or I can borrow from a friend. It's just hard when you don't have money. But yeah. Oh yeah, and I wonder if y'all can like, subscribe, and comment, see what should I do or where to go anywhere, or ask me like what should I do with the Raptor, get it fixed. This Raptor I be falling at night, kind of, so I need to get this one new, and I wanted those round LED stuff that shine that light, right? And then also I kind of want to start power wash 4-wheelers, radios, ATVs, or trucks, or probably do cars, and then also a driveway, like clean the driveway with salt, black and green AC and everything. Car wash. So I'm gonna start with this YouTube, you know, recording my truck, my four-wheelers, and then, you know, see what should I do next. So it's the four-wheeler Yamaha 2015 700. Is there an AUG or Yamaha AUG? So Raptor 700R special edition. Okay. Yeah. Shit. Like picks up this whole garage. And then we put the pen. That's the whole garage so the wind won't go in. I bet you. This is the backyard. See the parts I have. So I'm start right here. Alright. It's dark in here. We don't have light here yet. So here's all the part from the Raptor in this bucket. And I got another one here. You can see. Yeah, this right there. So if I have the money to get the part, it cost me $1,600 and the labor $700. So if I have the money and now I can buy the part or take it to the shop and they buy the part and give them the money, and then later on I pay them $700 if they get everything fixed. So, oh yeah, that's my dad's sniper. So yeah, that's all I have. Mind the garage is all there. Oh, this is my dog Minnie. Minnie. Good girl. All right, let's go back outside. All right, here's the other ATV of my family's, my parents. This is my mom's Arctic Cat, and my dad's Arctic Cat. And I got another one over there beside that duck cage. That's my aunt. I'll probably have a, let's see. Mine is a mess because my dad works on grills. Yeah, there's a four-wheeler right here. And another one right here. It's my cousin's. But he's big now, so he need a bigger one. And man, I kind of want to, if I have the money, I kind of want to get my own right. Yeah, there's the Raptor just sitting there with no engine.